Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Bestech knives Shinkansen frame lock front flipper. This one is cool. So the neat thing about front flippers is that when it's in the open position, there's no you know how on some flippers they have like the tab kind of gets in the way if you want to chop on a chopping board or something like that. But that's the neat thing about front flippers is that they don't have that, but they're still flippers and they still usually have the same kind of action that regular flippers have. Anywho, overall length on this guy is 8.375 inches, blade length of 3.625, and it is S35 VN steel. Nice choice. And look at the action on this thing, guys. It drops shut. Like, seriously, when you talk about like finger guillotine, like Nick Shabazz does, this fits the bill. I'm trying to, that just drops shut. It's kind of amazing. Anywho, the handles are 4.75 inches in length, and it is titanium, gray titanium on this one. There are other color options as well, and I believe they all have this carbon fiber inlay, which is very nicely done. The overall weight on this guy is 4.13 ounces, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it, guys. Go ahead and check this knife out. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the pocket clip. There you go, pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. Looks like tip-up right-handed carry only. Sorry, I almost forgot that, guys. Anyways, go ahead and buy this knife at BladeHQ.com. The Bestech knives Shinkansen.